Alrighty guys, today we're going to be showing you how to put together the Craftsman 208cc 24-inch snowblower. First thing you want to do, 13mm or ½ inch. Undo the two bolts that are not attached. So that she lines up there. Now you're going to put your bolts back in and put the nuts on. Then you're going to tighten them down. And tighten the other one down. And maybe check your battery. I gotta remove that piece of cardboard. I should have already had that off there, but you know, I didn't. You're gonna take your rod here, and you're gonna put it right through this hole. And you're gonna get it part way up through there, not all the way. We'll bring you a little closer here, because you're going to want to see this. Looks like most of it's right there. Trying to get you situated there. You got a cotter pin here, or a hairpin, or whatever it's called, that you got to take off and remove the actual pin. And I forgot to grab the chute. Okay, on the chute, you're going to need an 11mm. And there's a little bolt right here, up underneath. You got to take out. So hold the bolt with your finger and take the knot out. Now you can flip her over, set it right on here, and that little bolt is going to go through a hole. And jiggle this around until she sits solidly, bolts through the hole. Now we can put the nut partially back on. You don't want to tighten it yet, because we still got to move it around a little bit to get that to line up. Put your pin back in, and it never wants to line up, so give it a smack. And find the hole, which I can't seem to find. There we go. Get her in there. Now, I forgot to grab. No, I don't need to grab, because this one's different. There's a little pin up here. Pop it out. And there's a hole drilled through this, and a hole drilled through the thing over here. You see that hole? You're going to line those two holes up and put your pin back in. Like I said, you want this to be partially loose so you can get it lined up. So lined up, pins in. Now we can come up under. Give that a little bit of a tightening. Don't over tighten. So we can verify by rotating the shaft back here that actually moves. This one doesn't have one for up and down. There you guys got it. Put together your Craftsman 24-inch snow blower. Congratulations.